Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for November 2025. Ayan, so if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading. So, maari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. And also, yung private reading natin hanggang ano na lang, October 31. Starting November 1, hindi na po ako mag-o-offer ng private readings. Okay, Cancer, let's see. What's the energy for you? November 2025. Seven of Wands. The Seven of Cups. Ay, puro seven. Temperance. The Ace of Wands. Okay. So, for you, Cancer, palaban ka ngayon. Kahit na may mga times sa parang feeling mo ang bagal ng progress, parang feeling mo walang nangyayari, pero yung hinihintay mo, darating na yan. Darating na yan ngayong November. Kasi meron ditong exciting new beginnings, no, coming in for you. This can be a new job, new career, new opportunities, new adventure, new experience na matagal mo nang hinihintay. Maaring you've been planning about it for quite some time na. And ngayon, finally, it is happening. It is happening na, Cancer. What is the Seven of Wands? The Emperor. Ayan, no. Kumbaga, you are taking responsibility for this. Hindi mo na hinihintay na merong ibang tao yung tutulong sa'yo. Hindi mo na hinihintay yung opportunity na yan. Kasi ikaw na mismo yung gumagawa ng paraan para makuha mo yung opportunity na yan. 'Di ba? Ang galing. And yung inyong yung inyong disiplina sa sarili talagang on point. Yung pagpaplano sa mga goals ninyo, talagang nandoon. Yes. You have the King of Swords. Oh, the King of Swords is someone na matalino, madiskarte, alam niya yung proseso na kailangan niyang sundin, alam niya yung proseso na kailangan niyang pagdaanan, at maingat siya sa bawat step na tinitake niya. You also have the Lover. So this is your commitment. Very committed ka sa mga pangarap mo, sa mga goals mo. You have the Seven of Cups here. Kung makikita mo, meron siyang tinuturo, oh. Kasi kahit na confused siya, naguguluhan siya, alin ang uunahin niya, alin ang bibigyan niya ng attention. Ngayon, nakapili na siya kung saan niya i-commit ang kanyang sarili. 'Di ba? Wow. Yung iba sa inyo, this can be a new exciting relationship or business partnership. If you're into that, I also see you na mas nag-aaral ka ngayon, mas nagdadagdag ka ng kaalaman. You have the Queen of Pentacles energy. You ine-embody mo yung isang tao na maraming kayang gawin, someone na very practical, very, kumbaga siya, resourceful. Ayan. You have the resources that you need. Alam mo yung mga kakayanan mo, alam mo yung mga galing mo, yung talento mo, and you are using those talents and skills. Wow. Okay, let's see what else. For Cancer, November 2025. You have conjunction, alliance. So, ayan, no? Merong nag-hype up sa'yo, no? Merong tumutulong sa'yo. Merong nagbibigay ng support sa'yo. Merong kang alyansa. Merong taong nandyan sa tabi mo. This can be your partner. This can be your family. Someone who believes in you. You also have Ascendant, this is yourself. Mas pinapatatag mo yung sarili mo, pinapatapang mo yung sarili mo. You're also focusing on improving yourself ngayong November. You're like better version ng sarili mo. Ayan. You also have Gemini energy, cross-pollinate. Some of you, mas nagiging out in the open, yung tipong mas nakikipag-usap kayo sa mga tao, hindi na kayo masyadong nahihiya, mas nagiging outgoing kayo, mas nagiging madaldal kayo. Kumbaga parang you are really connecting more in authentic ways. Ayan, yun naman ang importante, na mas totoo ka sa iyong sarili. Let's see what else. Some of you may mga short travels Short travels na meron kang kasama. Maaaring meron kang kasama ang partner mo, romantic partner, loved ones, ganyan. You also have energy ng past life. So, maaaring iba sa inyo, may mga inaalam kayo about your past. Some of you are into spirituality, past life regression. Kumbaga may mga tinutuklas ka from your past life na ngayon, nare-realize mo na, dati ganito pala ako, ganun. Maaring sumangguni ka sa isang, psychic o kaya sa isang astrologer or sa sino man na nagpe-perform ng past life reading or past life regression. And you are healing from that, no? You are healing from your past. May mga na-realizations ka na, kaya pala ganito yung nararamdaman ko or na-experience ko is because of my past life connection or past life situation. Ayan. And this can be healing from your heart kasi ang green, it's your heart chakra. So, maaring meron kang pinapatawad, maaring sarili mo, pinapatawad mo. You are also focusing on loving yourself more. Ayan. Kung meron kayo naririnig na ingay sa background, yung anak ko yan, pagpasensyahan nyo na. Nasa baba kasi siya. Ayun. Tapos, meron din dito ang grounding. Grounding is about focusing on releasing, pagre-release ng mga negative energies, anything that is no longer serving your highest good. Maari ring mas madalas kang lumabas, mag-explore, or pumunta sa isang lugar na kung saan ikaw ay mas nakakapag-relax. Mas nagiging, parang nalabas ka sa nature, with nature, meditating, contemplating about life. So, let's see the money, career, finances for you, Cancer. Money, career, finances for Cancer. Okay, Queen of Pentacles, 2 beses na lumabas. So, some of you, meron kayong earth sign energy. Can be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Pagdating sa finances, there's nothing to worry about you, Cancer, kasi maaring maayos naman yung trabaho nyo, yung career nyo, yung business ninyo, yung finances nyo. Everything is, kumbaga, doing well. You are well provided. You also have the 6 of Cups. This is nostalgia. Maaring meron kang namimiss from your past, or maaring you are healing your inner child, yung mga past life trauma mo pagdating sa pera na ayos mo na, so you are feeling good ngayon, na parang finally nagawan mo na siya ng paraan. And also 7 of Swords dito na energy, be careful na lang din sa pag-handle ng finances mo, dun sa mga taong lumalapit sa'yo. Maari rin kasing meron silang hindi magandang intentions when it comes to your money, or sa mga tulong na hinihingi sa'yo na hindi naman pala totoo, no? So, be very careful. And then, let's see naman sa love life. You have the 3 of Swords, the 2 of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. Okay, so meron some of you here, maaring may mga challenges pagdating sa relationship. Maaring may decision kayong kailangan gawin sa isang tao na malapit sa inyo. Pwedeng romantic, pwedeng family or friend, platonic, no? This is some sort of disappointment. You may be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. Ayan, so, maaring parang baka meron tong nagawang pagkakamali, or you feel like hindi ka na masaya sa relationship na to, and you want to end this relationship, pero hindi ka ganun kasigurado sa sarili mo. Maaring may, merong guilt, no? You are feeling guilty about it. If you ikaw yung mag-e-end ng relationship na yun. So, pag-isipan mong mabuti. Kung yun talaga yung nararamdaman mo, then go. Pero kung may doubt ka, wag mo munang gawin. 'Di ba? Prioritize self-love. Oh, kaya pala. So, mas pina-prioritize mo ngayon yung self-love, self-care mo. When do you feel most nurtured and cared for? Ayan. So, isipin mo rin kung kailan yung time na mas naaalagaan mo yung sarili mo or kung kailan yung time na merong tao na nagki-care talaga or nag-aalala talaga para sa'yo. At yun yung time na nurture mo, no? Alalahanin mo at kumbaga, i-treasure mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.